Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a game loop lag on your low-end PC. Let's fix it guys. First open up a game loop and click on the three slash on the top and select settings. In here you need to go to engine. You need to check mark this enable rendering optimization. Check mark it and screen rendering mode set to DirectX. And scroll down and analyzing turn it off. To select the memory you just need to go to start menu and search for about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see the RAM installed on your PC. In my case I have 16 GB of RAM. After knowing the RAM you just need to click on the drop down in the memory and you just need to select the RAM you have, the maximum RAM, and after selecting it under you can able to see the processor. To select the processor you just need to press in keyboard control shift plus escape key together to open up a task manager. In here you need to go to performance tab and in here you can able to see the cores available in your system. I have 4 cores in my PC. Now just close stuff here. Now click on the drop down in the processor and select the core you have. And now you just need to scroll down and select the save option to save it. Again go to three slash icon and go to settings and now go to game and select ST 720p and graphics quality set to smooth and FPS set to 60 and select save. After doing this, now go ahead and launch the game and your lag has been fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.